Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming this is an iPhone 5 and gathering credentials. This matters because activation lock ties to Apple ID. Once done, connect the phone to a computer with updated iTunes and ensure battery is over 50%. Make sure you have the original proof of purchase image and the device serial or IMEI visible. Apple will ask. Now, put the phone into recovery mode if it's unresponsive. This allows you to restore iOS while preserving activation lock status for the next step. You will now request an activation lock removal through Apple support because official removal requires proof of ownership. When prompted, submit the device serial or IMEI, a clear photo of the purchase receipt, and a government ID. Name fields must match the receipt. Once submitted, Apple typically responds in 24 to 72 hours, so check email and spam. If Apple approves, they will instruct you to connect the device and sign out of iCloud, or they will remove the lock remotely. So be ready to follow their technician guidance exactly. You finish by restoring the iPhone through iTunes and setting it up with your Apple ID once Apple confirms removal. This completes the activation process. If Apple denies the request, immediately ask for an escalated review and submit clearer evidence, such as the original box showing serial/IMEI or a seller invoice. If you hit errors during restore, switch networks or try another computer. Clear iTunes cache and, if necessary, perform a DFU restore. This often resolves stuck activation loops when credentials are.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.